Hello, this video is about the Parrys Agave, sometimes known as artichoke agave, also just a typical century plant. My name is Eli Hall with AMSLandscaping. This is my favorite agave, and the reason is because it looks so cool. It's got this round oval shape that looks kind of like an artichoke. It's evergreen, it's grayish green in color. And I'll be sure to add some B-roll and some images here on the video so you can see what I'm referring to. It's got a few other botanical names I'll try to add as well to this blog, wherever you're seeing this video in the content. So it's basically a type of succulent. It requires full sun. Its hardiness level gets down to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's really tolerant of frost as well. Very low water use plant. We don't even really hook these up to the irrigation. They usually do really well on their own, just with a regular rainfall. Sometimes it doesn't hurt to add a little bit of water, throw a hose on them maybe once a month in the summer months. They're native to Arizona and the Sonoran Desert. A very slow growth rate. Mature height's about 2 feet by 2 feet height and width. They don't get really super large. They do bloom once, and they have about a 15 to 20 year lifespan. So when they do bloom, they will perish after they bloom. But the bloom is this great big 4-foot stalk that will have a bright yellow color at the end of the bloom, which is just really cool. But usually they reseed themselves, and you'll have little babies nearby that you can replant after those blooms occur. Very low litter. There are thorns, very sharp tips on the ends of the thorns, and they're non-allergenic, so you're not really going to have an allergy issue with these type of succulents. So if you're looking for a really low maintenance plant for your landscape, this is a great option. They look really cool. It's nice to kind of mix up your landscape if you have some regular type of desert plants that you're putting in, but you want to mix it up with some agaves. It's just really cool. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at azlawns.com. Check out our Facebook and YouTube pages at AMS Landscaping. Check out our Instagram and Twitter pages at AZLawns. Make it a great day.